Guys, good evening all.
Good evening, sir.
Very good evening, everyone. So, I'm sharing a screen. Yeah, I hope everyone can see my screen, right? Yes,
Yes, sir.
everyone can see my
Yes,
screen.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, first of all, today I'll just brief what we covered so far and what things are pending as part of SQL journey. Okay. So, since 1 week we were discussing only, select a command. Okay. So as part of the select command, so far guys, you learn how to fetch one column values, multi-column values, all column values, right? And you covered something, aliasing. What do you mean by aliasing? Guys, what do you mean by aliasing?
Another
Although
name.
So nine
Right.
is or another.
Yeah, just giving another name to a column or, a table name. And then we discuss something, distinct keyword. So what is the purpose of distinct?
removes duplicate values.
Yeah, so if you select one column, okay, before the column if you use distinct, so in that column only unique values will be displayed. Right? That's what distinct will do. And we discuss aggregates. So yeah, what are the aggregates we do have?
5 aggregates.
Correct, right? We do have, five aggregates, right? Min, max, sum, average, and count. And then guys, we started, learning these four classes. Okay, four classes: where class, ordered by class, group by class, and having class. So we know where class is for filtering, right? So for filtering, yeah, we have to use this many, operators, guys. Declarational we can use, logical we can use, right? In, not in, between, not between, is null, is not null, and like, not like, they're part of regular expression. Or you can say wildcards. And order by we know for sorting. I think last session only we covered group by and having comparison. And then I covered one more concept as part of select command views. And then we discussed something, set operators. Okay. Yeah. So today, guys, I'll be continuing on set operators. Okay. So after this set, I'll be going, a concept called joints if time permits today. Okay. Yeah. So I think I've given some tasks to you on views. Okay. And also I given some tasks on group by. So if anyone finish, please let me know. I can make you as a presenter. Yeah, I'll take a quick review and then we'll move further things today. Anybody finished? Oh, Bhavani. Thanks, Bhavani. Can I make you as presenter, Bhavani? FP11. Can I make you as presenter, no?
Yes.
Am I audible? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. I'm making you as a co-host. Yes. Now you are ready to share your screen. Okay. Nice. Sandhya. Thanks that you finished. Okay. Yeah. The screen is loading. Yes. We are able to see your screen. Okay. Fine. So the first one is, right.
Sales.
Correct. Correct.
Sales.
Yeah. This is sales table. So I remember the requirement. The requirement is, each product total sales, right?
Yes, sir.
Right. Yeah, this looks good. Okay, next students table. And there I was asking to print, how many of got same score, correct?
Yes, sir.
Right. Score is, let's say, 80. Count of score, nothing but maybe 80 score given by 2 to 3 people, and you're doing group by score. Okay, nice. Next, yeah, this is straightforward, department-wise budget. Okay,
Total
fine.
budget.
Mhm. And the last one is, yeah, this is what
Colors.
the Mintra example, correct? Color and count of color, group by color. Okay, nice. So I think, you did very fantastic work. Uh, what about the views? Have you practiced views?
No, sir.
That's okay. Very smaller thing, right? So, okay. Devi, you are finished. Can I make you as a presenter, Devi? Good work, Bhavani.
Sir,
Devi, can
sir,
you?
sir, I'm
Hmm,
also not completed views, sir.
You are also not completed. Okay. Yes, let me know if anybody finished the views. In a paint, I given 2 views to create. Anybody? Is the topic is clear first?
Yes, sir.
Guys,
I
the topic
completed,
is. Mhm.
but I write in notepad, sir.
Sunday, will do one thing now. Take a photo, okay, and create a flexi and put it before 360 degree. Okay. I think so that everyone can see. Just kidding, ma. What do you do now? Whenever you do next time, please put it in a notepad, okay, and you can share me. I know you guys are seriously practicing it. I know it, but yeah. So I think the other people also trying, but if they face any issues, right? Yeah, we share your screen so that they can understand what kind of the mistakes they are doing, or else from my side, if any reviews, you can take it. You understood, right? Sanjay, you understood, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Thanks, Ma. Okay, guys, I'm back to screen. I'm assuming that views are clear to you, everyone. Okay, I don't know why you are not done the task, but let me know, guys, if you are not clear on views. It's very simple topic. So can anyone just unmute and tell me the two parts of syntax of two parts? Part one. Part one.
The select query and view parts.
The part one is create
Create
view.
view.
View
You
name
should say view name. Okay. Next,
as
as
you have to write
Select column
select
list.
command.
better. You can say select command
Select command.
because
Yes, sir.
see, this is all you learn part of select command, right? You know how to run the select command. So a very simple syntax. Okay. So, and I have shown you yesterday how to see the views, right? And how to delete the views, right? That everything is how I explained. Okay. Oh, nice, Sandhya. Thanks, Sandhya, for quick sharing in the chat. Yeah, I can quickly represent them in the notepad mode. Thanks a lot, Sandhya. Yeah, guys, I think this is what the requirement yesterday I given. See, create view, employees also. I think I have explained this, correct? And next one is Pune employees view. See, where all records should be Pune only. See, create view Pune employees. As select ID name location from employees where location equal to Pune. Nice. Next, create view IT employees. Okay, and there ID name department from employee where department equal to ID. Makes sense, ma. Perfect. So these are guys. If you already tried, so if you're not clear, so please you can take it as a reference and modify accordingly. Okay. Uh, Everyone clear, right? Guys, views. And a question here. Uh, if original table gets modified, is a view gets modified or not?
Yes,
No,
sir.
sir.
Modified.
It will
Yes, sir,
modify.
modify.
Not
Correct.
modified.
No, ma, it's modified. Okay.
Modified, sir.
Right. As I explained yesterday, when you do, let's say when you do select star from IT employees, okay, when I do something, star from select star from when I do select star from IT employees, this is a view, right? Whenever you try to use select the command on views, always what this view will do, internally it has a one select query, right? A fresh select query will run on the table. Okay, it means every time you'll get updated data. So if you do any changes in main table, okay, that will reflect in your views. Okay, so that's all about views. And also, I do recall I have explained about set operators also, right? I think I given a one Zomato use case. Right there, I think I covered this. Correct. So, what are the set operators? First, we do have
Insertion.
Insertion.
Union.
Union
Union.
All.
Minus.
minus
see
Minus
the
that.
first thing we have something union, and then followed by you have a
intersection.
union all. And then we do have a intersect. 1 second, guys. 1 second, sorry. Sorry, guys. I'm back. It's just customer get call. Okay. So intersect, and then finally we do have something minus. Hope you recall the use cases which I have explained. Hmm? Hope you recall. There are three
Yes.
tables I have taken, right? January 2025, February 2025, March
February.
2025. Let's say I want to know who is the customer making the order in three tables. Who is the only customer making the order?
Veda,
I
sir.
mean,
Veda.
yeah. No. Oh, you remember the name as well.
Veda, sir.
Nice, buddy. Okay, but I was asking, which command, which set operator I have to use.
Intersect.
Intersect.
Nice. I'm really happy that you you remember the name as well. Okay, nice. Okay. Name, tell me when to use union. It's again,
When you want to
cross
get
question.
only unique customers.
Let's say you have a three tables. On three tables, if you want to know unique rows, okay, there are three tables, January, February, March, and if you want to know unique rows, then you will go with union. Okay, this is the another way definition for the union. And here you will get all the rows from three tables, but without duplication. What about union all?
With
With
duplication.
repetition,
Or
we'll
want
get
to get
Correct.
repeated rows
With
also.
repetition. What about minus?
except, sir.
It's like, except, but you should not
It's
say the except
minus.
answer in interview. You should say, so always minus what it will do is, it will,
All unique rows in the first table.
correct. And which are not repeated in second table, that will be ignored, correct?
Yes.
Sorry, guys, there is a background noise. Yeah, I'm back. Okay. Now, guys, it's time to, how to use this. Okay. Very simple syntax. Okay. Very simple syntax. Trust me, the set operator, how to use it. Select command, right? Just write a select command. I mean, yeah, you should write set star from table one, you will write it, correct? Select star from table one and select star from table two, and select star from, table three. Guys, totally, I have written three select commands, right? I have written three select commands, right? In between, you can use your operators, guys. Okay, you can use your set operator. I told you, no, the syntax is dead easy. Dead easy. See, select command on table one and the operator. Which operator you want to use? Union alla, intersecta, minus. And then your table two, again, you can write your operator, which operator you want to use, and then you can write your table two. So this will be continuous. You can use n number of tables in this sequence, guys. Very simple syntax. Select start from table one. Okay, operator, which operator you want to use, and then second command. Is that make sense, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Guys, is that make sense, everyone? Okay. I think we are good to go, programming part. Okay. We are good to programming part. So if you open the today class notes, I mean the SQL notes, I already uploaded the practice tables. If you scroll down by today date, November 18, sorry, I think 19. So there are two tables I have given: January customers, February customers. Okay. January and February customers. So I think March also there. So let's connect with the DB. Yeah, I'll be inserting all the rows. Let me take this three table data quickly. Are you guys ready for technical seminars? Have you taken the topics? Guys, are you participating? Ready? I'm just asking guys. Are you guys are
Yes,
practicing it?
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Fine. Possible, I'll come. Okay, so these are the three tables I was taking. Okay. Yeah. Now the first table name is, if you see, the table name is customer January. Next, customer February. Okay, and the customer March. Now, if you see, in January, Deepa and Veda made the orders. And second, February, Veda and some Sri made the orders. And the third table, Veda and Chilino made the orders. Okay, I think you're clear on the table data. But guys, before we want to use this table, I mean, before we want to write the queries, some rules you should know it. Some rules you should know it. Trust me, writing the queries is very simple. Guys, tell me, I want to know who is a customer making the orders in all the 3 months. I want to know who is a customer making the order in
Veda,
all the
sir.
3 months.
Veda.
Veda.
No. I'm asking query.
Select star
Select-
from customer
Select
January.
star from customer.
Right. Select star from
Customer January.
customer underscore January. Guys, just give a pass.
Union
Give a
of
pass. Wait. Give a pass.
Intersection, sir.
Wait, man. Wait. What is star here?
All, sir.
Selecting all
Select all
columns.
rows.
Select all.
Colors
All rows,
from
all
which
rows.
table? Wait. No, not rows.
Jan.
Sorry. No,
Jan,
not
sir.
rows.
Customer Jan table.
Customer
No,
Jan.
man. No. I'm asking what in the star? Is it meaning of rows, meaning of columns?
Columns.
columns, sir. Columns.
Columns from customer Jan. We
Customer
know,
Jan.
yeah. Just now we have seen the January table has, 2 columns. Okay, 2 columns. So star means 2 columns here. Okay, I think this is clear, Or you can say J. Okay, and here you can say J dot ID, comma J dot name. Are you following? Are you guys are following?
Sir, aliasing, table aliasing, sir.
Correct. Why I'm doing aliasing? Because in all 3 tables, we have same column names. Yeah, you can also write star as not making you confused. You can also write the star and you can work it. But this alias, you should not confuse. Okay, if you are working with multiple tables, whenever that multiple tables has the same column name, okay, then there could be a chance of confusion. So to avoid that, we'll be using this aliasing. Then you have to use an operator called intersect, right? And second query you have to write, say the name is February, and I'll be doing, F is, aliasing. You should say F dot ID and you should say F dot name, right? So similarly, guys, you should do one more time intersect. And this time you have to say MAR, right? And here just give a alias name is M. And here you should say, guys, if you write star also the code will work. I was not saying the code doesn't work. Just if you write star, January, intersect. I think someone is doing marking. Maybe by mistake you're doing. Let me disable it from my side. Wait. Yeah. Okay. So guys, I'm done with the query. Okay. I'm done with the query. Let's run the query. Let's run the query and guys see the output. See, you got that output. In the output, if you see, guys, we know the output is, 2 and Vega. 1 row we are getting, and we know why we are getting 1 row. But if you see, guys, only 2 columns are displaying. Only 2 columns. This is actually the rule. Okay, this is actually the rule. This is your table 1, right? And this is your table 2, right? Yeah, let me talk about table 1, table 2, and then you can similarly imagine for table 3. Wait, table 1, table 2, you can go with. Now in table 1, table 2, guys, if you see here, you are representing number of columns. Sorry, column names. Here also you are representing name of the columns, correct? So when you are using set operators, okay, there are some rules are there. Rule number 1 is, this this, okay, should be same. Sir, what is same? Yeah, I'll tell you. Number of columns, guys. Number of columns should be same. This is rule number one. Okay. Rule number one. Maybe I'll start. Yeah. Number of columns should be same. This is rule number one. And guys, your name of column should be same. Name of column should be same. And order of column should be same. And data types of the columns also should be same. Please check it. Please check it. All are matching or not. First, we'll go with number of columns. See, here 2, here 2. So this is perfectly matching the first point. Number of columns are same from first table and from the second table. Next, name of the column. See, ID name. Yeah, this is also matching. Now, order of column. Order means first ID, then name. Here also first ID and then name. We should not write here name and ID. You should write ID and name only. Yeah, that's also matching. Next one is data types. Hey, data type means we know ID data type is number and name data type is varchar. Here also, guys, number and varchar. Yeah, this is also matching. So now these are the 4 thumb rules to use the set operators. Not only 2 tables. If you take n number of tables, for all tables, yeah, I mean for all tables representation of set operator, these 4 rules will be mandatory. I hope rules are clear everyone. Queries are nothing but just replace this intersect to union. Okay, replace this intersect with union all, replace this intersect with minus. It's very simple. But remembering these rules are very, very important. I hope this is crystal clear, everyone.
Sir, can we write ID and name instead of JID and JName, sir?
Come again?
Instead of writing the query like select j.id, comma j.name from customer John, can we write like select ID, comma name from
No,
customer?
Deva, actually, see, no, that's what I was saying. When you are working in multiple tables, let's say Deva in the classroom, multiple Devas are there. If I say, hey
Sir.
Deva, can you go out? If I say, how many people go out? All people, right?
Yes,
But
sir.
if I call you with your ID or surname, like pet name, then I was specifying particular one. Similarly, January, February, March, all table have same column names. Always, it's highly recommended to use the aliasing when you are working with joins and as well as set operators. Okay.
But there is only one ID and one name in January table, no, sir.
Hmm. No, that's what I was telling you can write blindly star also. That will work. Even if you write ID name also, that works. But what I
Okay.
was saying, okay, that's not a good representation. Clear?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Hope the rules are clear. But I have some slides, guys, for you. Maybe I can quickly walk through it. Just give me 1 minute. That is, yeah. Yeah. So why we use set operators? See, set operators allow you to combine the results of 2 or more select queries into a single output. Agree or not? Read it one more time. Set operators allow you to combine the results of 2 or more select queries into a single output. Are you agree or not? I just now shown you where the output.
Yes.
Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Agree, right? So we use them. We need to merge results from different tables, right? Merge results from different tables. And if you want to remove the duplicates, right? If you want to remove the duplicates, or you want to find some common records, or you can compare the 2 tables. That are the real-time use cases when you set operators. And we do have the 4 set operators. Yeah, these are the 4: union, all, intersect, minus. So we discuss union, right? See, union will return what? Common rows. Union return all unique rows. Union all return all rows without duplication, with duplication. Minus, it return rows from query 1. Okay, return rows from query 1 that are not present in query 2. Okay, I'll show you that execution also. Don't worry. And where we use set operators. Yeah, see guys, the real-time use cases are. I just now give an example. See, 3 tables are taken. January, February, March. Similarly, if you see example in employee 2023 and in employee 2024, I want to compare. I mean, who are there in 2024 employees? So this, if you want to compare, similar, this is also the same example. And see the example, if we customer who joined in last year, but not this year. Just tell me which operator I have to use for the second one. Who joined in last year, I mean 2023, and not this year, 2024. Which operator I have to use?
Union all.
Union.
Correct, correct. And for the first one, guys, I want to know who is still there in 2023 and 24. I mean,
Intersect.
the employee.
Intersection.
Yes, yes, yes.
Intersection.
Now, guys, I want to combine, the list of supplies from A table and B table.
Union all.
Union.
Union all.
Right, without repetition. Okay. Now, this is something, join. So, yeah, I'll come to know this statement after we learning the joins. Okay. Now, guys, the basic rules. This is what I was talking about earlier. Okay. Both select statements must have same number of columns, same data type in each column position, and order should be same. I hope these rules are clear, everyone. I think the one I have by mistake written, same number of columns, same data type, and same order also. Make sense?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And yeah, this is what, the example I have explained. Maybe not. Yeah, union example, union all example, intersect example, and minus example. Okay, I'll go with this examples again. So let me take you this. This is a query 1. Let's take query 2 now. Sir, if I read star will doesn't work. Yes, saying no. This will work, man. Okay. Now let me hit union. Okay, let me hit union. I just want to show you, the another format of executing this. Let's remove this union. Guys, what will be the output of this if I run this?
Unique
Yes.
customers will be printed, sir, from all the tables.
Correct. Right. Let's run it. You can see. Right. We know Veda repeated, but here you can see Veda repeated only once. And the only difference between the union and union all is with the repetition. See, I'll just write union all. Here also let union. Queries are simple. Okay, queries are simple. Right? But when to use it, you should know it. See, guys, see now Veda is repeated. Okay, Veda. 3 times she is repeated. And the last one is I want to know who is made the orders in January but not made in February. Then you should say January minus February, guys. You can say it simply like this. Okay, let's run this. You can see, guys, Deepa. So Deepa is a lady. Okay, she made the orders in January, but she is not made the orders in February. Hope operators are clear. Set operators.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
Sir,
nice.
sir,
Yes.
sir, can we use different set operations in between the tables?
Come
Like
again,
union and union and can we use
Right.
union and
The combination, yes, you can use it. Okay, and I'm sharing you some requirements also to practice it. There you can mix and you can use it. This is a fundamental examples. Okay,
okay, sir.
right. So guys, I think everyone are good on set operators. The next topic, I can give the 5-star rating in entire your select command. That is something, joins. Okay, so joins are very powerful and very important in interviews. Okay, the topic is joins, and at the end of joins, I'll brief you how joins are different from set operators to combine the tables. Because in set operators also, we are combining the tables data. Joins also will combine the data. So what will be the difference? I'll show you now. Okay. Before that, I have some tables to load. Let's load this data first. Let's come again. What are the rules for what do you call it? To apply the set operators? What is the rules?
Order
Data
of the
type
Data
column
must be
should be
same,
same.
order must be
Data type
same,
of the
and
column
In
should be
select
same.
command. No. I should say in select command.
in select command, data types must be same, order must be same, and
Number of columns must be
number of
same.
columns must be same.
Correct.
And name of the
And
column.
name also should be same, guys. I think that point I missed it in the
Data
slides.
type.
Right. Okay. So guys, I'll be taking two more new tables now. Okay, this is also very interesting and simple also. Okay. So there's the first table. The table name is students data. Okay. Yeah, this is a table students data. Student data. Let's take another table address. The table name is address. And don't think that these tables are in relationship. Okay, they're not in relationship. Both are individual tables. Okay, both are individual tables. So this is a tables data. Let me highlight the table names, guys. That first table name is students data. Second table name is student address. Focus on the data here. Focus on the data. Student IDs are there, 1, 2, 3. Names are there, Deepak, Arjun, Vijay, and their ages are there, 23, 22, and 20. Okay. Now, right side table, address table, which has IDs and which has cities. 501 belongs to Pune, 502 Delhi, 504 Hyderabad. Did you see anything common in both tables?
SID, sir.
That is the main, the thing that you need to remember for the joins, guys. So the only one rule is there for the joins. Only one rule is there for the joins. The rule is the table should have at least one common column name. The table should
RMT.
have at least no. That's what I was telling. No, it's not a foreign key. Okay, if it is a foreign key, C504 should not allow, correct? Right? So as I explained beginning, there's no relationship, but the thumb rule of the join operator joins is the tables which you want to participate in join, at least there should be a common column name. So this is a common column name SID. Focus the data 50123 there in left side table, 50124 there in right side table. It's not foreign key. Okay. Hope you are clear on the data. Hope you are clear on the data. So next what I'll do is one second. Guys. Okay, let me take you some inputs from you first, then I'll move forward. Okay. So guys, this is the two tables which I explain here. Now, can you focus on this output which I'm making in a box in an orange color? This is output, guys. Okay. For this output, what do you observe? What I was doing here in this output, what you are observing it, guys.
You're
Joining both
joining
tables
CT
based
column to
on
the
SID.
first table, sir.
Okay, that's it. Okay,
Based on
let's talk
SID,
about.
sir.
Now if you see SIDs, 501 is SID from left side table. Do we have the matched SID at right side? Do we have the matched
sir.
SID at right side?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So that record we considered here. Next, 502 ID is matching it right side also. So that is also we consider. Okay. Next, 503 is entry is not there at right side. So we will be not considering 503 in this output. Similarly, 504 is not there at left side table. So we are not considering. So this output we can say, okay, we can say both table SIDs are comparing and only matching rows are we are considering it. Make sense?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
This is the first type of join we call it as something, inner join. Okay, this is the first type of join called as something inner join. So inner join consider only match rows. inner join, consider only matched rows. I hope definition is clear, everyone. Okay, query is also very simple, but definition you should know. Inner join, consider matching rows from the both the table.
Common.
Okay, yeah. Next, guys, focus on this last box which I written. Tell me, what do you observe?
Duplicate column removed.
Nice, nice. That's what. Sir, we got the same output, but the only thing, SID is repeated, SID column repeated twice, right, inner join. So that will be, ignored here. This is a part of, I should say, inner join. This is, I should say, one subcategory of the inner join that we have to call something, natural join. So a natural join is the same as your inner join. A natural join is the same as inner join. The difference, it eliminates the duplicate column, or we can say it avoids the duplicate column. Hope everyone clear? Guys, hope everyone clear?
Yes.
No, I was not hearing the voice from everyone. Everyone clear on inner join and natural join?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay, nice. Chalo, then let's get into other types of joints. Maybe I'll write it. Allow me some time. Allow me some time. I'll do some dictations here. This is one. This is two. Okay. This is three. Okay. Right. I'm almost done. Okay, I'm almost done. Just less than 20 seconds. Yeah, I'm almost done. Okay, I'm done. I had this paint diagrams with me earlier, but I was thinking that you'll get good impression if you see this. Okay, so I'll go with the first output again. So guys, in the first output, if you see, are we getting matching rows?
No,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Two
Okay,
matching rows.
focus. And what about a 503? Is it matching at right side?
No, sir.
No,
No, sir.
sir.
Listen carefully. The output, whatever you are seeing here is, okay, in this output, we are getting both matching and unmatching rows. Even if you see remaining all three outputs also, yes, if you see remaining two more outputs also, both we are getting it, nothing but matching and unmatching rows, right? In all the three outputs. So if you want to consider both matching and unmatched rows, guys, then guys, you'll have to go for a join called something, outer join. Okay. So there's a join called something, outer join. So the difference between inner join and outer join is, guys, the difference between inner join and outer join is your inner join consider only matched rows, whereas your outer join consider both matching and unmatched rows. So these are all three types, outer joins only. But the difference is, if you see the first type, if you see first output, guys, I'm talking about the first output. If you see in the first output, left side, matching rows are displaying and unmatching rows also displaying, right? But right side, matching rows are displaying. Wherever it is unmatching, then they are filling with the null, right? This type of join we have to call as something left outer join is. So the meaning of left outer join is left side table will be display everything, but right side, wherever it is not matching, that will fill with the null. So that's left outer join we should say. Left outer join we should say. Similarly, hope you guess, the second is right outer join. So the right means, guys, right means right side table, all rows will be printed. Okay, and if any unmatched rows are there, like 504 is not matching it left side, right? So that will fill with the null. This is something, no, right outer join. And the last category of the join is full outer join. Nothing but it's a combination of both. It's a combination of both left and right. We should say full outer join. So totally in outer join list, we have three subcategories. Guys, I just now explained inner join. Inner join has only one subcategory, natural join. And inner join consider only matching rows, whereas outer join consider both matching and unmatching rows. Okay, and here again outer join category into three types. There is no specifically outer join. Your outer join divided into three types: left, right, full. Okay, in left outer join, left rows, left side table rows will be displayed, whereas right side, unmatched rows, if any there, then they will fill with the null, and it's vice versa for right outer join, and both combination of left outer join we call as full outer join. Hope this explanation is clear, everyone. Can I get some thumbs up symbols in the chat, please? Theoretically, you're clear on joins?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Sir.
nice. I got multiple thumbs up symbols. Super. Okay, now it's about to write the queries. Yeah, we are about to write the queries. Again, if you want to write the queries, yeah, the only tricky part is syntax. The only tricky part is again syntax. Again, we have to use the same select command. So okay, let's write down the select command. Select column list from table one name. I should say instead of table name, I should say left to table one name, guys. Left to table name. Left to table one name. I should say left to table name instead of I should say table one. I should say left to table one. So whatever the name, whatever the table you are writing here, that considers left table only. Okay. So this is something left table. I should say easily you can remember. And guys, here, what I mean by column list? If I say star, what it means?
All columns.
All column from left table, right?
Columns.
All
Yes,
columns
sir.
from left table, right? If I say left right table, but here, guys, you will be use your join operator. Okay, you will be using your join operator. Here you will be using, join type. Sorry, I should say join type. I should say join type. Which join type it is? Inner joiner, outer joiner. That way you have to mention. And guess immediately after you're writing join type, you should write here right table name. Right side table name, you should write it. Let me use the same color and let's change the join type, guys. Here, you have to mention your join type. Guys, this is a very simple syntax and almost 50% syntax you are clear. 50% I have explained here. Now, the meaning of this star will be changed, guys. If I write star, okay, the meaning will be changed. Sir, how? Sir, how? The normal SQL query so far you practice this way, correct? Let's say this table name is X. Okay, let's say, yes. Yeah, let's say guys, this table name is X. Okay, and this X table has 5 columns. Okay, now star means 5. Clear? Clear? Forget about the joins. If I select star from X, if X is a table which has 5 columns, star means 5 columns. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, guys, if the first table name is X and the second table name is Y, let's say X table has 5 columns, Y table has 7 columns. Now the meaning of star is 7 plus 5, sorry, 5 plus 7. Totally 12 columns will be selected. Yes, that's the meaning of star here. Does that make sense? What in the star here?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sir.
sir.
But sir, X table, okay, it has a 7. Okay, I mean 5 columns. Sir, Y table has something, 7 columns. That's okay. But I need only 2 columns from here. I need 1 column from here. I need 2 columns from here and I need 1 column from here. Then tell me what you need to do.
Mention the
Select
column
2
names
columns
after
from
select
X.
command.
Oh man,
Column list. Select the
you,
column list.
yeah, I should say aliasing first, right? Now should say A dot that column name, right? A dot some the column name, and then you should say some B dot some column name. This way you can do it. Does that make sense? Is that make sense?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, so this is what actually the syntax I was talking about. Select column list from left side table name, immediately how to say join, and immediately how to say your right side table name. And after this, guys, the next portion is condition section. This is okay. Since I was writing in square braces, you can imagine that it's optional for few joins. Okay, and in square braces, you have to start at the condition. Condition starts with on keyword. Condition starts with on keyword. So whenever you write the condition, and condition also dead easy on the left side table name dot column name. Okay, left side table name dot your column name, left side table dot your column name equal to guys. You should say right side table, right side table, yeah, right side table name dot. You should mention the column name. You should mention the column name, guys. You should mention the column name. That's it. This is something full syntax of joins, guys. Full syntax. Okay, again, see the square braces are optional. We know it. Right? Square brace. I'll tell you when to use the square operator, but the square operator is for condition preparation. Condition preparation nothing but you remember we thought to compare two table student IDs, right? We thought to compare two table student IDs, right? So here the table name is student data.sid equal student address.sid, right? That way, guys, we can compare it. So I'm done with the syntax. Now we are about to write the query. Okay. Now we are about to write the query. So the first example we'll see now, that is something inner join example, guys. If you see it first, I'll be explaining today inner join example. And if you understand the way that we were writing the query now, the only first query, the first query, if you know it how I'm writing it, then rest of all join queries are copycat. Just copy paste. Okay, writing the first query only difficult, guys. Remaining all are copycat. Okay, yeah. Go ahead, guys. How should I write the inner join example for the tables which I discussed so far? Student data. Guys, the table name is student data is the first table name. Student address is the second table name, and here you can see the common column name is SID. Here we have a 3 columns. Here we have a 2 columns. Go ahead, guys. How to write the query? Am I audible?
Sir.
Go ahead. Try, guys. I'll help you if any mistakes.
Select star from.
Go ahead. Right, just star. What in by star? First, help me to understand. What in by star?
All the columns in
All columns.
Left
Left.
table.
What is the table name?
Student
Student
data.
data.
Student underscore
Data.
data.
data. What is the join
Inner
we were
join.
practicing?
Inner join.
Inner
Inner
join.
Inner join.
As it is, we can write it inner join. Then
Student
Student address.
Student
Underscore.
Underscore
Address.
address.
correct. Student underscore address. Okay. And wait.
On.
Can you go for aliasing? Very
Yes,
simple
Yes.
understanding.
Sure.
Now here I'll be using SD.
SD.
SD. You know the reason behind
Student
it.
data.
Yes.
Yes,
Next.
student.
Next.
SCA.
Yes.
Now you know right why I'm returning it.
Sure.
Right? This is purely optional, guys. Purely optional. Okay. Now if I say tell me guys the way that I was
On
on
SD
On
dot.
SD.id.
SD
On
dot.
SD dot SLD.
Students data. Sir.
Wait.
SD.
See, if your parents already given a pet name to you, every time they will call you with pet name only.
Yes, sir. SD.
Correct. Right? Just say SD.SID.
SD.
Okay. Just say SD.SID. You understood, right? What is SID here?
Yes.
Yes,
Column.
Sir.
Your column name. SID, your column. Next, here.
SCA dot.
SA.SID.
SID.
Correct. Guys, don't get confused that SA IDs are nothing. SA SD are nothing but alias names. Okay, see, the query is very simple. I have written. See, select start from table 1, inner join, table 2. Okay, on condition is left side table SIDs. I'm using equal, right? You know, equal for comparison, we use it. It's not assignment, it's double equal to comparison ways. SD.SID means SD.SID means 501. Okay, that 501 we are comparing with the SA.SID, nothing but 501 here. Okay, if they are matching, star means the row will be returned. And that is for first row. Again, same thing. Second row, 502 is comparing with 502. Right? If it is matching, rows will be returned. Next, 503, it's not matching, so it will ignore. This row will be ignored. Next, right side table 504, it's compared with the left side table, that's also not there, so it will also ignore. This is inner join example. Again, guys, sir, I don't want a star. That's your wish. If I hit star, you will get columns from this table, you'll get all columns from this table. Let's say this table has 10 columns, this table has 20 columns. You can see totally 30 columns list, you can see. Okay, let's run the query and guys see the output. As I explained, writing the first query is only difficult. See guys the output. See guys the output. The first meaning of star is what? Left side table all columns.
All
Right side table
columns.
all
All
columns.
columns.
And since we are comparing both table SIDs, see only matching rows are displaying. This is beauty of your inner join. Guys, I just want to hear, are you clear on the syntax and the example? Because remaining all are copy paste.
Yes, sir.
Just
Yes, sir.
copy paste.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And sir, I need specific columns. Chalo, you can write sd.id. sd.id. Right. Sir, I need here. Yeah, sd.id. And you can give some alias, some name also. Okay. You can give some dummy name also for that columns also. You can give it. Okay. Chalo, let's get into the now. What is the second type of join I have explained? Second type of join.
Natural
1.1.
Natural join.
What do you mean by natural join? What it will do?
Avoids
Will
duplicates.
avoid duplicates.
Guys, when you go with natural join, this condition portion is optional, guys. Okay, for natural join, this condition part is there now on. It's optional. So what natural join will do? It will internally it will apply for inner join, and then if any duplicate columns are there, that will be ignored. Okay, so let's run this and see this, guys. See the output is first star means left side table all columns, right side table from all columns, but since it is a natural join, it ignored the duplicate column, and you can see matching those. This is something, your natural join. And guys, next, what is the next joins we learn it? Next
Outer
joins.
join.
Outer join.
Outer joins.
Outer
Left outer
But
join.
there is no outer join, right?
Left outer join. Right outer
Outer.
Left
join.
outer join, right outer.
Left outer
fully
join, right
outer.
outer join, fully outer join.
Fully outer.
Correct. I told you writing the first query is only difficult. Right? As I explained, see, this is just copy paste. See, instead of this inner join, I written left outer join. Okay, same. And let's run it. Yeah, guys, you can see left side all rows, right side table SID is not matching, so it's filling with null. You cannot see the null. Yeah, it's empty. Right. Similarly, guys, you can maybe I'll remove this from here. So outer joins are totally 3. Yes, I will anyhow I will be not right. I will not executing it. You can execute them, but you know what will be the output. You know what will be the output. The last one is full outer joins. Okay, so this is the main types of joins, guys. We already covered inner join and in outer join. In outer join again, there are 3 parts are there. One is there is no specific outer join, guys. Reminding you, okay, there is no specific outer join. We consider as left, right, and full only. Hope this is clear, everyone.
Sir, can we apply natural join on outer joins?
No. Natural
Okay.
join is always considered only matching rows. Okay.
SID is repeating no, sir, in outer join, that's why.
Then if you want to ignore, then instead of star, you can specify what column you need, what column you want to ignore. Clear?
So while selecting, we have to avoid selecting the SID from the second table, yes, sir.
Yes, exactly. Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Guys, make sense?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And I want to,
Sir, sir,
hmm,
sir, can
yes,
we
yes.
mention like join type as a join? Just
No,
join, sir.
no,
Is that error or something full outer joiner?
no, man. The joints means, so far I explained this, right? I have other joints
Yes,
also.
sir.
I have not called all so far. Okay. I have some other joints
Okay,
also.
sir.
I'll be
Okay.
discussing it, but there is no specific word with the join. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you.
Okay. So, guys, what is this equal? Guys, what is this equal?
Comparison
I'm
operator.
talking about this.
Combine.
Okay, nice. You confirm it is, a comparison operator. Okay. Totally, how many comparison operators are there?
6 are there, sir.
What are they?
Less than, greater
Less
than,
than,
less than or
greater
equal to, greater than or equal to, double
Right.
equal to, not
So
equal.
we know that relational operators are totally 6, right? Equal and less than, greater than, right? Less than or equal, greater than or equal, right? Not equal
Not
and not equal
equal.
consider this. And one more is what? That's it, right?
double
Yes, that's it,
equal.
right? Yeah, this is double equal to mark. Okay, this is double.
Okay,
So
sir.
we categorize, guys, we categorize relational operator into 2 types, right? But this is the condition portion, right? Whatever I have mentioned here, this is your condition section, right? So in condition section, if they are using equal operator, if there is an equal operator, that is we have to call it as EQ join. This is another category, guys. EQ join. And if they are using other than, okay, if they are using other than equal operator, I mean, it could be a, less than or greater than anything. This is we have to call it something non-EQ join. Okay, so these are also categories of joints. So far, inner, outer, but this is also there. EQ and non-EQ joints also will be there. And we do have a 2 more. Okay, that I'll discuss tomorrow. We have 2 more type of joints. And yeah, totally guess we have this many types of joints are there. We have a cross joint and we have a self joint as well. But totally guess this is the joints. We covered inner joint, we covered outer joint, we covered EQ and non-EQ today. And what is cross and what is self, I'll be discussing tomorrow. Okay, so that's all for today. Tomorrow we can see the continuations. Any queries? All good?
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Okay then. Yeah. Bye guys. Good night.